Okay, this is the upgrade. Before we had just slip-ons. Went ahead and upgraded the motor from a Milwaukee 8 226 cam, Screaming Eagle, everything. Zombie exhaust. We have the Bassani headers going into them. Completely removed, catalytic, everything, all the emissions. See how she sounds.
You know what the weird thing is, though? Is that first day, it's only 4 hours long.